Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today in this class we will discuss about school health services. School health services is the comprehensive, integrated, preventive, promotive and curative and rehabilitative service to the school children and the teachers and all the supportive staff and provide remedial measures and referral services when it is needed. School health services. School health is an important branch of community health nursing. According to modern concept, school health service is economical and powerful mean of raising community health and more important awareness about health in future generation. Now we will discuss history of school health services. The beginning of school health service in India dates back to 1909 when for the first time medical examination of school children was carried out in Baroda city. The Bohar Committee in 1946 reported that school health services were practically non-existent in India and where they existed they are in very bad shape. In 1953 the Secondary Education Committee emphasized the need for medical examination of students and nutrition program. In 1960, Government of India constituted a school health committee to assess the standards of health and nutrition in school children. The committee submitted its report in 1961, which includes very important recommendations. During the 5-year plans, many state governments have provided for the school health and school feeding program. And finally, in 1977, centrally sponsored school health program was started. In 1979, the school health scheme was handed over to the states for implementation. Now all the states have their own school health program, but main objectives and activities are more or less same. So what are the objectives of school health program? The main objectives are the promotion of positive health among school children, prevention of disease among school children, early diagnosis and treatment for disorders among school children, follow-up of the defects which are identified, awakening health consciousness in school children, and provision for healthful school environment. Now we come to another important question which appears in your examination, that is health problems in school children. Normally question arises that what are the list the health problems among school children and explain any one in detail. So you should note these important health problems which are seen among school children and you can write about them few lines in your language also. So when we discuss any school health services, these must base on local health problems of the school. Normally, these fall in the following category. Number 1, malnutrition, which includes protein energy malnutrition and deficiency diseases. Second, communicable diseases, which includes measles, chickenpox, typhoid, tuberculosis, hepatitis and many other communicable diseases also. Then worm infestation, tapeworm, roundworm, hookworm, etc. Dental problems includes dental caries, gum inflammation and bleeding gums. Fifth is mental health problems, maladjustment, autism, anxiety disorder, dyslexia, etc. In skin problems, scabies, warts, eczema, acne, etc. Eye problems, eye infection, myopia, hypermetropia, etc. And in ear problems, otitis media and hearing disorders. Dear students, in this way you can attempt your first question related to school health service. There is another important topic related to school health service, that is aspects of school health service. This we will cover in next lecture. So please visit the channel routinely so that you can get information about latest lectures. Thank you.